Aloha and welcome to Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Here we have a near new 2022 Honda Ridgeline Sport all-wheel drive with only 6,000 miles. At the back of the vehicle, we have a tailgate that folds down in the traditional manner, or it swings out to give you room to get in for the additional storage features that are available on this truck. Here's the additional storage feature. Again, with only 6,000 miles, this truck is near new. Also has 5-passenger seating capacity. Come by and see us Monday through Friday. We are here 8 to 6, and Saturdays we are here 9 to 5.